Here of a Lasko box fan in my uncle's house. Now, this is something that you guys probably see every day, but I've never seen one before in Hong Kong or in Manila or in the Philippines, anywhere. So I'm pretty excited to find this. Like, you know, I don't know what this HVAC is doing because I decided to have this to help make the temperature more even. I was gonna take a separate video. I just found this right here. And then yeah, I'm super excited when I found it. Anyway, there's this. Pause it if you want to read it. Pause it if you want to read it. Pause it here if you want to read it. Just I don't know, but not my parents. My friends may talk about my YouTubing or my whatever right now. Anyway, Lasko logo. These are bigger than I thought. I thought these were like 12 inches, and when I saw them in person, I was like, wow, they're big. I thought they were much smaller than this. They seemed smaller in the videos. Motor. Oh. So anyway, I'm trying to figure out the zoom. Oh, there it is. Zoom was malfunctioning. So anyway, the grill is kind of flimsy. I don't actually think the Hong Kong ones are kind of better quality, but these are bigger, so you know. So anyway, first of all, let's start up on low. Excuse me, didn't get to see it properly. I said it was super excited when I saw this because, you know, he's still coming in the US, and basically saw them for years in videos, and I was just waiting to see one in person, basically. Moving my camera a little. Not much. Did I push it too high? Medium. By the way, this fan is super light compared to a lot of fans and other fans I've seen. Something good, that's for sure. It's really good there as well. amazing how much more detailed my videos are nowadays. How fan I've videos that before. God, this is the best testing spot in the world. Best presentation spot in the world, I mean. This might be better. Testing spot. I'm not sure. Definitely a lot louder than the Asian box fans. I didn't do it a while ago because there were people there. There's no people now, but now is when. Now, we're not gonna do it for too long. Let's do the test here. Hi. Did notice a difference here. Apparently. Let's move it further back. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is a better spot, I think. By the way, last week I compared this to the wind machine. By the way, I forgot to show you the spin down. Foolish me. Start up. Let's compare to the wind machine. Oh. No. Wind machine goes slightly faster. Started at some but I don't want to think they're identical parts of the looks and anyway, there you go. Let's compare the spin down. This is also Lasko, I think. Wait, did I do tissue test on this one? I don't think, I'm not sure. I've been holding tissue in my hand for a long time, but that doesn't always mean I've done the tissue test. Anyway. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.